Hi, in this session I'm going to explain a formula named even. So this even formula, what it does, whatever the number you give it to this even formula, it rounds a number up to the nearest integer, to the nearest even integer. Let me repeat, whatever the number you give it to this even formula, this even formula, it rounds a number up to the nearest even integer, right? So it rounds a number up means it rounds a number, it increases the number to the nearest even integer, right? Fine. Now on the screen you can see three numbers. One is 5, 7 and then 9, right? All the numbers are odd numbers, alright? So now go to formulas, and underneath you will find math and trig, select it, right, and just scroll and you will find the even formula. Okay, so even formula you can find. Now you can see the even formula. I have shown the arrow key, right? Arrow. I have shown the even, the word even formula using an arrow key, using the arrow key, right? So now select it. Now it shows. Let me keep the cursor wherever you want. You just keep the cursor. I keep the cursor near to the three numbers, right? 5, 7, 9. Let me make it. Display on the center. Now go to formulas and then you will find math, as I said, and then even, right? So before you select this, place the cursor here, right, next to that. I mean wherever you want to have, you place the cursor and then select the even formula. Alright, it asks you to give the argument, right? So input, the argument is whichever the number you want to convert it, you want to round the number, you want to round the number up to the nearest even integer. Select that number. Alright, I'm going to select this. 5, 7, 9 is there, right? So I'm going to select 5. Alright, so that number got selected. B column 2, it shows B column 2. See, it shows B column 2, right? So now I'm going to click the tick. Now you can see, again let me make this all the. I want to show it at the center, right? Now you can see now you can see the value 6, right? Now you can see the value 6. So so I just inputted, I just given the number 5 to this even function, right? So the even formula, that's the formula, and I have given the value of this b2 value 5 as argument, right? And I got the output. First, this is the formula. This is the formula even, and I have given b2 as the input argument, and b2 is nothing but the b2 argument value is 5, right? So it takes a 5 and it rounds a number 5. It rounds what is the formula rule? It rounds a number up to the nearest even integer. So it rounds, this is a 5, it is a hard number, it rounds a number up. So it means it rounds a number, it increases the number. So it increases the number 5 to the nearest even integer. 6 is the nearest even integer for 5. So that 5 got converted into 6. Right? That's the reason here the result is 6. Alright, so that's it. So if I want to have so just consider that I have the complete column. Alright, I have a column, n number of rows in a column, and and the whole column does have the odd number, and I need to change all the odd numbers to the nearest even number. In that case, you need to you can apply only you can apply this even formula for a single row. Okay, and then you can simply copy and apply to the remaining rows, so that that gets nearest even integer gets populated in all those rows. Alright, just see that now it shows 7, right? Here it shows 7. Okay, and the other one is, and the next one is 9, right? So here the other number is 9, so it's a odd number, and I want to change it to 7 to 8. Obviously it would return 8, and 9 to 10, right? So I don't need to, again here I don't need to key in even the formula, and I need to select this B3 row. Okay, I don't need to do what I have done in the previous row. Simply I just copy, select the row where you applied the even formula, select it, and you will find the copy option. Alright, so just click on it. Okay, and then where you want to apply the formula in the next in the remaining rows, right? So I do have 2 rows, so it can be n number of rows in a single column. Alright, so just select that. Alright, so you can see I have selected 2 rows, right? 2 rows altogether. 2 rows is 2 rows are selected, right? And now I'm gonna click on the cell, and you will find these options. Click on the cell. See, now you click on this, sorry. First you need to select the rows. Alright, so it already you have selected, and then click on the when you click on, you will get the option to paste it, right? So just click on paste. Right, now you can see the numbers. See, it shows 8. So it shows 8. The number, the actual input is this. So actual input is this 7. Okay, this 7, that is actual input, and then that's been converted, that's been given as an input to this even formula, and it's been converted to number 8, because next to, so whatever the number you give it, that number is rounded up to the nearest even integer. So 7 to the 7, 8 is the nearest even integer, and then you just check for 9. Alright, to the 9 the nearest even integer is 10. So that's the reason here you have got 10 as a result. Alright, so in this way it works. So that's it. So in this session we got to know a formula named even, that is used to round up a number to the nearest even integer. Alright, so that's it. So that's for the session. If you give negative value, then it round down the number to the nearest even integer. Alright, again, so that's the definition is given, but when I applied it, it shows whatever the negative or positive numbers are given, it rounds the number up to the nearest even integer. Right? So that's for the session. Thanks for watching. Bye.